Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to easily contact customer support on the Trip.com app using your Android phone. Whether you need help with bookings for hotels, flights, or cars, I will guide you step by step to find the right support option quickly and hassle-free. First, open the Trip.com app on your Android device. Make sure you're in the Account section. Scroll down on the main screen until you see the Customer Support section. Tap on Customer Support to open the support options. Scroll down again and you will see two options: Contact Chat and Call. If you want to call support, tap on Call. You will see a phone number to call. If your country is not listed, tap on Other Countries and Regions. From the list, select your country to find the correct support phone number. If you prefer chatting with support, tap on Chat. Choose the type of contact you need, such as hotels, flights, trains, or others. You will then be connected to a chat window where you can start chatting with a customer support representative. That's how you contact Trip.com support on your Android device quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.